Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Olayemi Cooking channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make jollof rice. Jollof rice is a recipe cooked with tomato sauce. This recipe is common in West Africa like Nigeria, Ghana. Everybody has their own different recipe and everybody claims their recipe is the best. Jollof rice. This recipe is mostly common during ceremony in Nigeria. That's why some people call it party jollof rice. This recipe is mostly spicy. Without wasting much time, let's start with our ingredients. 3 cups of long giant parboiled rice, romaine tomatoes, 2 pieces of romaine tomatoes, habanero pepper, bay leaf, chicken stock, 1 cup of chicken stock, 2 teaspoons of tomatoes paste. Two red bell pepper, salt to taste, onion, 1 big onion, thyme leaf, curry powder, and some seasoning cube. Without wasting time, let's start with our fresh ingredients. I'm going to be using 5 habanero. I like this jollof rice when it tastes spicy, so I'll be using half of these onions. This to cook for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, when we are cooking this, we are going to start washing our rice. While waiting for the pepper to get dry, we are going to wash our rice. Five times, basically just to make it more clean. So that's why I like washing it that way. So I'm going to sieve this rice. I want it to look dry when I be cooking the rice. Everybody has their own way of cooking their jollof rice. I like my recipe. Okay, let me see, my recipe is the best. Maybe because I like it spicy, so I can say my recipe is the best.
Some people can use just one habanero or two habanero, their choice, but me, I like it really spicy because of the tomato paste, so I like it spicy. Okay, we are done with this, so we are going to step this aside too. Some diced onions. Tomato paste. We are going to fry this in a low heat. The tomato paste is properly fried, so I'm going to add my boiled tomatoes. I'm going to fry this for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how it looks. Then I'm going to add my bay leaf, thyme, curry powder, I'm going to stir. Wow, it smells good. Next, I'm going to add chicken stock.
pinch of salt to taste. We are going to allow this to boil. We are going to allow this to boil. Wow, this actually smells good. Going to add the diced onions to make it look crunchy. Wow, tastes good. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.